Next on this edition, the announcement by State Bank of India to cut interest rates on home loans has been welcomed by developers, though they feel the duration of the interest should be more than 1 year. SBI has announced that it will give home loans on 8% interest for 1 year. Here's a report from our Delhi correspondent, Feroz Shani.
Cut in the interest rate announced by the State Bank of India and similar assurance given to the Finance Minister this week by the public sector bank has come as a big relief to the realty sector. By and large, all the developers have welcomed the move.
It will obviously help the realty sector because property rates are almost down by 15 or 20%, and most of the investor and end users are waiting for this kind of opportunity. So it will really help the investor and end user both to invest this kind of market when rates are almost 15 and 20% down.
Though developers are delighted by the bankers' move, they feel that 8% interest rate only for 1 year is not sufficient, as buyers usually take loan for a longer period.
At this moment, the banker told this is for a short period of time, span of time, 1 year, 2 year. I think it should be for a more longer period, because when we take a loan from a bank, we take for a more longer period. That will give the comfort to the buyer. That is the first thing which is required by the bank. If they are lending money to the buyer at this 8% of interest, this should be for a longer span of time.
Despite assurance by the PSU banks, developers hope that private sector banks will also cut interest rates. They believe that this may get the realty sector back on track. After SBI's announcement, the public sector banks had marathon meetings with the Finance Minister in Delhi, where they have promised to lower the interest rates as well as by the end of March. With cameraman Mukesh Sharma, this is Feroz Shani at Delhi for Real Estate Television.